My video guide today will help you to remove the ransomware called Qpss. Qpss is the ransomware type threat that now attacks many Windows computers all over the world. It is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. This video will demonstrate to you what exactly this damaging ransomware does with your files. So, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documentation pretty easily. But the point is that because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this ransomware may become the part of the computer, and then pretty soon you will realize that something really bad has happened with your files and that you cannot use your data anymore. The ransomware is able to damage and encrypt the files that you store on your computer. So obviously that's a very serious problem, because people will not be able to run their files anymore. After restarting the computer or turning the computer back on, customers soon realize that they cannot open their documentation. All their pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other information has been damaged and encrypted by this specific ransomware. So the good thing is that this is the test computer that I'm now using, but unfortunately this ransomware may also attack real computers. Then within some time you'll realize that you cannot open your data anymore because the ransomware has encrypted this data. Then the files will no longer be accessible. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. You can see that when you try to open the specific file, you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Qpss extension. If you try to remove the extension manually, this still doesn't work and you cannot restore your data. We recommend you to check the task manager of your computer, then look for any suspicious processes that could be running in the background. If you find them, you should right-click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. We also recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware tool such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect this particular ransomware and to get rid of it effectively. Initially, the program, however, is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely, the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and obviously this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, including this ransomware we have been talking about. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, you can clearly see that the scanning has begun, and some threats have already been found by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Certain threats, of course, may be associated with browser-related issues like adware or browser hijackers. And definitely Combo Cleaner will help you to detect this particular Qpss ransomware. Pay attention to the excellent feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware, which allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you will see the information about threats, about their exact location on the system. Some threats definitely can be removed manually, but we do recommend upgrading to premium, and this is the best way to fully remove threats and to protect your data from being damaged in the future.